Hello everyone, welcome back to Maltida Crochet. This week's tutorial is on how to make a very simple AirPod case, and I have this AirPod here, and this case is really good to be a charm. Before we get right into the video, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, give my video a big thumbs up, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. I'm going to start with a slip knot. I'm going to chain 12. Now I have 12 chains. I'm going to do 3 double crochets into the third stitch. So that means I'm going to skip 2 into the third stitch. I'm going to do 3 double crochets. And this is the third double crochet. Now I'm going to continue to do 1 double crochet into every stitch until I get to the last chain. So 1 double crochet into every stitch. Now on the last stitch, this is the last stitch. Into the last stitch, I'm going to work 5 double crochet into that stitch. 5 double crochets. Now I'm going to start working on the opposite direction. After the 5 double crochet, I'm going to work directly starting from the top of the last 1 double crochet. That is the 1 double crochet from the previous, from the other row. That's the opposite row. So you start on the opposite side, 1 double crochet into every stitch until we get to the last stitch. Now on the last stitch, I'm going to go back into the same stitch where I did the 3 double crochet, and I'm going to put 2 double crochet, and that is to complete 5 double crochet that we did on the other side. Where we started with 3 double crochet, I'm going to add 2 double crochet into the same stitch and find the first chain 3 there and do a slip stitch. For the next round, I'm going to chain 2. Start with chain 2. This is a repeat row pattern, so we're just going to keep repeating the same pattern. So chain 2. Now I'm going to turn my work around and back into the same space where I did a chain 2, do 1 double crochet into the same space where I chain 2, or into the same stitch. So now into every stitch, I'm going to work 1 double crochet. I'm just going to continue to do 1 double crochet into every stitch until I get to the end of this round. I'm going to meet you at the end of this round. 1 double crochet into every stitch. Yeah, I'm at the end of this round. After my last double crochet, find the chain 2 space and do my slip stitch. So this is the second round, and I'm just going to keep repeating this. It's a repeat row pattern, so we are repeating this one double crochet stitch. It's very simple. We just need to know how to make a double crochet. So I'm starting again with a chain 2 and 1 double crochet into the same stitch, and into every stitch 1 double crochet till I get to the round, to the end of the round. So I'm just going to keep repeating this until I have at least 7. I did 7 rounds for this. So this is the third row. I'm just doing my slip stitch there for the third row, and starting the fourth row, you're going to always start every row with chain 2, 1 double crochet into the same stitch. So I'm going to meet you at the end of the 7th round. I'm on the 6th round, and I'm going to show you the last round, that is 7th round. And you can do a less number of rounds if your airpod is not big or it's not large in size. So for this, I'm just going to continue starting with 2 chains and 1 double crochet into the same stitch. So I'm just doing 1 double crochet until I get to the middle or the center of the case, and then we are going to make a little strap hole for the strap. So I'm just going to do this until I get to the middle. Now I'm at the middle of the case. I'm going to chain 1, yarn over, skip 1 chain or skip 1 stitch, and go into the next stitch and do 1 double crochet. So we have this little hole for the strap. So I'm just going to continue with my, the double crochet until I get to the center of the other side. I'm in the middle or the center of the other side. Now I'm going to do a chain of 50. I'm going to chain 50 for the strap. Now I have chain 50 there. I'm going to go into the next stitch on that row, and do a slip stitch. I'm going to do a slip stitch to secure the strap. Now I'm going to yarn over, continue with the double crochet until I get to the end of this round. So this is the end of this AirPod case. I'm going to go into the chain 2 space from where I started, slip stitch, chain 1, and fasten off. And this is pretty easy, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Please leave a comment in the comment section and give my video a big thumbs up. I hope you enjoy this little crochet project. Thank you, and see you in the next one.